Good morning and welcome to another episode with the Good Deal Guy. I want to show you guys this real quick. This is the new magnetic work light. I know a lot of people using them for the shops, but let me open it. We're going to do a review and see what you think. If you're brand new to my channel, I do reviews on all the techs and gadgets. Hit that subscribe to support my channel. It's absolutely free and this will encourage me to make more videos. Let's jump in. They kind of look small. Oh, there's a cord in there, but still a little bit of weight to it. So this is actually really cool. So this part is the magnetic part. So if you're fixing this stuff, like I know a lot of mechanics like them, I know people do body work still like them, but you can use them anywhere around the house. You know, you can use them in the house for emergencies. You can use them for camping. You can use them anywhere. So this opens up 360 degrees, I guess. Now, let's try this. It is bright. It's really bright. Then you have another mode that's like a less bright. And then you have another mode where you have a light here. Let's check this out. So I have this is my table here. But it's kind of round so it doesn't stick perfectly. But if you have somewhere that's flat surface, it will stick right away. Watch this. This one's a little bit more flat, so it can be like this. It has to be a flat. This one is a little bit round. So if you have a flat surface, it would stick there perfectly. You can use them like this. Or you can use this one here. And it's rechargeable. So there's a space here. This opens up and it has a charger. I think it's type C. Yeah, everything is type C now. It comes with a cord. Super neat. I like this. I got like lots of flashlights, but I have the solar ones, I have the rechargeable ones, I have the battery ones. I sell a lot of these and a lot of people are liking them. A lot of tradespeople liking them. I have a lot of people liking them for camping or for home or for emergency, but I'm going to leave you guys the link. Okay, that's my affiliate link from Amazon. And if you buy something with my link, I make a couple of bucks at no extra cost to you. Okay, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.